But let's start with an anatomy minute. So Herman is going to be our helper, and I'm going to turn him around, and you can look and see where these little red pieces of tape are. This is up in our neck, and these little red pieces of tape represent our interspinalis. So these are part of the intrinsic muscles of our spine, which is the deep stabilizers of our spine. And these little muscles go all the way up and down our spine, connecting the back at the spinous process of one vertebrae to the next vertebrae. So here's some up in our cervical spine or our neck, and then here's one down in our lumbar spine or our lower back. And they're most prominent in our cervical spine and our lumbar spine. And some people actually don't have them in their thoracic spine, but most people do. What they do, their big job is to stabilize. So they fire up and they hold you in place so that you don't whack your spine around while you're like trying to move your arm. The other things that will happen is if you're lying down, it's going to help to extend your spine. So feeling that extension when we go up into our swans, it's going to do the segmental opening of or closing of the vertebrae back here. And if we start to go forward like this, it's going to help control so that our bones don't go sliding out of place on the way down. It's the eccentric control of the interspinalis. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this information interesting and enlightening and you would like some more, please go to the link or QR code on the screen and you can download my ultimate joint pain eliminator starter kit. You'll also be put on my email newsletter. Each week you'll get a workout, a recipe, one of my favorite products, as well as a quote. So if you want to become part of my ohana, go there and I will see you soon. Aloha.